Good morning, my dear students. My name is Paulaj Biswas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Kolani, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And previously discussed according to this the difference between quality management to the total quality management. And today discuss according to this the total quality maintenance. And this is my lecture number 11. And about to this the subject quality and reliability engineering. Few outlines is concerned according to this the total quality maintenance and the total quality in service sectors and also the role of customers and people in total quality management and the total quality. What is the total quality maintenance? And the total quality maintenance, the TQM demonstrates the how STEMCO the products designed to performed with the standards Hub and Excel configurations combined with sound assembly procedures. This will be concerned according to this the uh, total quality maintenance, and this will be according to this the how the product designed and also this the perform and with the standard hub, and also this will be concerned about to this the Excel configurations and also the combined with the sound assemblies and the procedures also will be there, and it can result in expectational well and performance also will be concerned according to this the total quality maintenance, and this will be always to this the performance of the quality of this the product, and this will be maintained of this the quality, not will be concerned about according to this the your product quality is not will be the maintained properly, and this will be maintain your product quality properly, and also this will be performs also the properly during to this the systems will be run, and also your product will be launched to this the market. For this the performance and as tracking technology has the also the tracking technology also will be there, the which type of defect and the which this product will be used to this the which one is the customers, and this is the concern about to this the tracking technology. This will be the has advanced STEMCO has responded to the needs of the industry, and this will be the needs of the industry for the STEMCO. Another thing is that the STEMCO is the committed to a higher standard of performance, and this will be the committed the higher standard of this the performance. Suppose you have to buy a product from this the market, then your product is the not will be perform properly, then this will be the disadvantage of your product, and also this is the your whole money also will be the loss during your the product will be not will be the perform standardly, and this is the not will be satisfied your this commitment and the satisfied of the commitment by this the company, and this will be difficulties, and for the your customers will be turned from the another companies from to you, and for this will be the very much essential for this the committed to this the higher standards of performance, and also the increased customers value, and this will be increased to the customers increase the customers value for the this will be increased the customers will be given to this the higher value for this type of products, when this will be satisfied to this the customers, and also this is the good quality products, and this will be higher standards, then you have to the increase to this the customers value. We recognize the importance of providing customers with the delayed and this will be the recognized to this the importance of providing customers that we detail the product information also will be required during to this the suppose your product will be given to this will be required to this the recognition, and also the providing to this the customers for this the details of your product, the this type of product this is the difficulties and how you have to applications also there, and also the which one also will be given to this the maintenance of required to this the 1 hour after 1 or 2 hours all things you have to concern according to this your the customer. This will be recognize the importance of providing customers with the detailed products information, and you have to note the hidden the information also will be given to the customers, and the another things this will be required to the installations, installation procedures and failure analysis. Sometimes you can see the different type of products you have to taken from this the market, and also record the installation for the company, and the another the few products you have to installation the easily by your this the customers, and this will be given to this the books during to this the installation procedures, and also record to this the failure analysis also. Sometimes you can see the few customers not will be properly installed this product, then this few type of failure will be comes out, and this failure analysis also will be concerned according to this the total quality maintenance. And what can total quality maintenance provides for your company, the what will be required, and the basically the reduce the maintenance cost. The quality maintenance is the basically total quality maintenance providing the reduce to this the maintenance cost. Basically you have to maintain your products properly, and then you have to not require to this the maintain in your company the within 1 hour or the within 6 months within the this is the long time, there is the no procedures also will be required, and also there is the no damage will be found, and this will be reduced to this the maintenance cost for this the company for this the total quality maintenance provides. And the another is the less equipment downtime, and sometimes you have to maintain your products is the time to time, then your equipment not will be the fail during to this the time of your working condition or the operation times, and this will be the less equipment downtime also will be concerned here. And other things will be there, the reduced the liability exposure, and this will be always the reduced the liability exposure also will be concerned. This reduced liability exposure during to this provide by this the total quality maintenance. And another things, the reduced rework cost, and sometimes we have to give it to this the external failure, and also the replacements will be given by this the customers, and this is the very the excess cost will be implemented by the company, and this will be this type of job will be required to this the reworks, and this proper maintenance or the total quality maintenance will be rework type of cost, and this cost is the fully destroyed for this the company, the excess cost will be implemented to this the quality cost. And another things is the safer operating equipment also will be there, and this will be the total quality maintenance provide to this the safer operating equipments. This will be trained to this customers the how we will be operating this equipment, the this will be the difficulties will be arise for this times, and sometimes we have to concern about this products is not will be work according to this the high cold times, and very hot regions not will be done this equipment will be operating. This will be properly maintained during to this the total quality maintenance procedures. And another thing is the process control will be controlled by this the total quality maintenance, and which type of process will be required by this the total quality quality maintenance, and this process is the benefited for our company, the which process is the loser for our company, the all things will be responsible for this the total quality maintenance by this the process control. And the repeatable quality, sometimes the total quality maintenance is the good way you have to maintain, and sometimes we have to concept to this the repeatable quality type of products we have to launch in our market, and also you have to cost reduce to this the product cost, and then this type of repeatable quality will be controlled by this the total quality maintenance. And the total productive maintenance also will be concerned in the industry. The total productive maintenance also will be very much more essential for is a system of maintenance and the improving the integrity of production and quality. And the basically the total productive maintenance, this will be required. The basically the your product is the fully maintained under this maintenance, and then you cannot be difficult, and also your product will be work operating conditions will be the long times, and this is the advantage for this the customers as well as to this the company, and also the company goodwill also will be the improves. And for this the industry, the productive maintenance is a system of maintaining and improving the integrity of productions and quality systems through the machine equipments, process and employees that an business value to an organizations. also concerned the total quality maintenance for service sectors will be concerned. The basically this importance of total quality maintenance for the service sector. The sometimes you can see the total quality maintenance management and is the key mantra for the manufacturing industry. The total quality management. Similarly, but the this we have to record to this the total quality, and this is the key mantra. Key mantra for this the manufacturing industry. Without total quality management, your company cannot be survive. Your manufacturing industry units cannot be survive in the environment, because this will be not the fully satisfied for this the customers. Your customers is the turn up to this the another company. This your then your company will be go to this the downward direction, and also this is the for this you have to concern according to this the total quality management is the key mantra for the manufacturing industry, but its benefits have been better realized the intense customers oriented service industry, and this will be the better realized because to this the intense of this the customer oriented service industry. Suppose our the Tata consultancy service, that means the TCS will be gives to the service provide for the different industry. That like our the suppose our education industry will be required to the a software, and this will be service by this the Tata consultancy service, and this will be provide under this type of and the another thing, suppose the different examination will be held in our the India, then the Tata consultancy service will be provided service to this the during to this the softwares, and also the your the organizations during the different computer systems also will be there. Then you have to easily the service to this the examination will be done during those times, and this will be service oriented industries also will be realized the intents of customers oriented service industry. B it fast moving consumer goods, that means FMCG is retail, hospitality, telecom or banking. This will be is the concern about to this the service industry, that means our the retail, that the retailers also will be to this the servicing industry. This will be served to the customers regularly, and also the hospitality, that's like the hospitality, and also hospitals will be this is the different type of hotels we can see, and also this will be concerned about to this or the service industries, and telecom or banking, this like will the service industry also. In service organizations, the total quality maintenance or the total quality management challenge lies in establishing smooth connectivity between business process so as to retain to the customers, and basically the all things will be related to this the customers, and for this the in service organizations the TQM challenges lies in the establishing smooth connectivity between the business process so as to retain the also the customers, and another things will be there the a quality control approach to cover all process would be beneficial to every organization. This will be the quality control approach to cover the all process. This will be covered to this the all process would be beneficial to the every in organization. This will be given the total beneficiary, and also the total quality management will be concerned according to this that the characteristics, the basic characteristics of the sector is productions of service instead of an end products, and this will be required to this the basic characteristics of this sector is the product of the service instead of and the products, and for the last 100 years there has been a substantial shift from the primary and secondary sectors to the fertility sectors in the industrial countries. This will be concerned according to this the characteristics of this the total quality management, and the employees share in the service sectors also will be concerned. While the share of service in employments for many developed countries is very high, and in many cases higher than the share of the service incomes, and basically the share of the service in employments for many development countries is the very high. That's like our this India, in the this will be the servicing sector also will be the available, and from the to this the manufacturing from the manufacturing units, that like the high, and the many cases higher than the share of the services in incomes. The, this will be the higher share will be comes from this the services in income. Another things, the expect China and India, the except China and India, all the others BRICS, the countries also have a similar pattern, and the China and India will be the except, and also this will be other BRICS countries also have the similar pattern. In the Indian and Chinese case, there is wide gap between the two, with being wider from India, and the basically this will the wide gap will be found, that this will be the with gap being wider from this the India. And another things will be there, the China's share of service in both income, China's share of service in both income and employment is relatively low due to the domination of the industrial sectors. Basically, the China's share of the service is in both incomes and the employment is relatively low due to the dominations of the industrial sectors, but the gap is also narrower than that of India. This will be China's will be maximum depends on this the industrial sectors, but this will be the also the servicing sector also will be available also here, but this will be the gap between the relatively low due to the domination of the industry sector, because but the gap is also narrowed than that Indian. This is the India also will be the narrowed gap also will be found. And another, the Indian share of the service expert in the world, the in India share of the service in the world exports of service was increased from 0.6% in 1990 to the 1% in 2000. This will be the increase from the 0.6% to the 1% from the 1990 to 2000, and further to 3.3% in 2011 has been increasing faster than the share of Mercedes exports in world export. And this will be concerned according to this the increasing the service the share from this the service in our India. This will be depends on this the export in world, the 3.3% in 2021. 2011 has been increased further than the share of Mercedes exports also in world exports. The overall offenses of the economy reflected by total trade, including service as a percentage of GDP, so a higher degree of offenses at 55% in 2011 to 12 compared to 38.1% in 2004 to 5. And this will be overall offense to economy reflected by the total trade including service as percentage of GDP shows a higher degree of offense the at 55% in 2011 to 12 compared to 38.1% to 2004 to 5. And another things will be concerned according to the role of customers and people in total quality management. The what is the role according to this the people and customers during to this the total quality management. The total quality management refers to a continuous effort of management along with the employees of a particular organizations to improve the quality of products and services. Business needs to emphasize on quality of their products rather than quality to survive the fierce competitions. The basically this the total quality management refers to a continuous effort of management along with the employees of a particular organizations to improve the quality of products and services. This will be concerned according to the business needs to emphasize on quality of their products rather than quality to survive the fierce competitions. Remember in today scenario, there is no dearth of competitions or competition in the markets. Why would a customers return to your organizations if you do not deliver what you had promises initially? Basically, we can see in our the different promoters that like the construction industry, and this will be told to this the customers the initially that this type of products you have to serve to you, and also you have to given the best quality products, and also the best quality tires, best quality bricks, best quality of cement, best quality of sand, all things you have to given, and your the home will be the very good quality product home will be delivered to you, and also that like a flats will be served to customers. But in general facts that when this will be service the served to this the customers, then this will be not will be proper quality will be managed, and for this the another these customers will be the return or the turn from the company or the industry, because the this your friends or the family members not will be given a contact that this promoters will be the service the good quality flats to for me. For this will be the or if your organization, if you do not deliver what you had promised him initially, you can fool someone once but not twice, because of you can fool the someone once time but not is the twice, and he not will be survive service to this the another friends or the another person, this will be not the twice. The responsibility of delivering quality products, the delivery quality products and services to customers lies on the shoulder of every single individual. The basically the responsibility of delivering quality product and the service to customers lies in the shoulders of every single individuals who is even remotely associated with the organizations. It is not only the management but also employees, irrespective of their designations, suppliers, client, customers, who need to come up with the improvements idea to make foolproof systems and the process to deliver quality products. And the basically the all things will be dependent to this the responsible for the management, the suppliers, client, the customers, the all persons also will be the responsible for this the improvement ideas to make foolproof systems and the process to deliver quality products which meet and exceed the expectations of end users. And another thing, the customers play an important role in total quality management. Before we proceed the further, let me ask you a very simple question. What is the basic difference between the successful and unsuccessful business? The what is the basic difference? A business is successful only when its products and the services have enough buyers in the markets. Yes, there are several other parameters also, but customers play a crucial role in deciding the success and failure on an organization. Basically, this will be concerned according to this the customers will be play the a crucial role deciding the success and the failure on the organization. Another thing, the business marketers need to focus on their end users. This will be the business marketers need to focus on their end users and what exactly they expect from their organization. And this will be the what will be the expect from the organization. This will be concerned according to this the given the value from this the last person. Another things, the customer's feedback should be regularly and carefully monitored before formulating and any major business strategy. And this will be concerned to this the customer's feedback should be regularly and carefully monitored before formulating and major business strategy. How can you ignore your customers who pay for your product with the eventually bring revenues to your organizations and yield higher profits? What should do? The basically the how you how can you ignore your customers who pay for your products, which eventually bring the revenue of to your organizations and yield your higher profits, and understand the needs and demands of the customers. The total quality management ensure that employees understand their target customers will before making any change in the process and systems to deliver superior quality products for better customer satisfactions. In fact, organizations introduce the total quality management or any other quality management process to increase their customers base and level of customer satisfaction. The total quality management increase an organization database of loyal customers who would not go anywhere, no matter what. Believe me, without customers, a business cannot even exist. And this is the very important fact, because you cannot be satisfied your customers, your business cannot be exist the long term. This will be always the required to this the product for better customer satisfaction. In fact, organization introduce the total quality management or any other quality management process to increase their customer base levels of customer satisfactions. The total quality management increase an organization database, also the loyal customers who would not go anywhere. The basically you have to given to this the product will be good quality product to this the customers, but your customers not will be go to this the anywhere, no matter what will be cost, this is the no matter, but you have to depend on this the quality of products. This is the, believe me, without customers a business cannot be exist the long times. And another thing, the quality of product is not defined only in terms of its durability, packaging, the reliability, timely delivery, and so on, but also a customer's overall experience with the organizations. This will be not depends only these things, that you have to the good packaging, the good durability, and also the reliability, and also you have to service to this the timely. This is the not effect on this the remember, customers dissatisfaction leads to loss of business. Your customers is not the satisfied, you have to leads to loss of business. In service industry, employees need to interact with the customers sensibly and with utmost care and professionalism to accept happy and loyal customers will be required. And another, design various feedbacks from the customers for them to share what they feel about your products and service. And this will be required to this the share, and also you have to give in to the value for this the customers feedback. And also you have to give in to this the kindly attention to this the customer feedback, the which type of feedback will be given by this the customers, and what will be effect to this, and feel about your products, and also your the service will be not will be the good service product service will be given, then your products will be not will be survive to this the long runs. And the feedbacks may be in favor of your organizations, may not be in favor of your business. The negative comments to or feedbacks of this customer should not be ignored, because the negative feedback will be given a chance to recover your the low quality or the recovery to your the systems. And the negative comments or feedbacks of the customers should not be ignored. As a part of quality management, employees should decide on the common platform, brainstorm ideas, and come to concrete solutions which would improve the systems and process to eventually deliver what the customer expects. No amount of total quality management should help if you ignore your customers. If you have to ignore your customers, then you ignore your business, then your business will be not exist for this the long time, because the negative feedback is the valuable as well as to this the positive feedbacks. And another, in case of physical products, customers are satisfied when the products are the durable, reliable, easy to use, adaptable, and the appropriate. And this will be the satisfied the customers are for this the adaptable and the appropriate use of easy to use, and these things also will be concentrated. In case of service industry, customers are satisfied only when employees are friendly and polite, and the employees are honest and do not make fake promises will be there. Employees are easy approachable, the employees are willing to listen and address customers grievance, and this will be addressed for this the customer grievance. And sometimes you can see the few servicemen not will be listen to this the customer grievance properly, and organizations respond to customers requests requests on time to time. The next classes we can discuss the steps for quality improvements. Thank you, my dear students.